Volcano, the blast coaster. When this coaster opened, it was the fastest inverted coaster out. It was one of the best coasters out, if not the best. The best thing about it was the multi-launch. It's 70 miles per hour straight out the top of the volcano, but before it blasts you off, it shot fire out the top. It was one of the most amazing things to see at night. If you didn't get experience to ride this ride, I feel so bad for you. I know Kings and Minion had to do what they had to do, but I really believe this is one of the worst mistakes they ever made in their park ownership. I don't know because of money or whatever it was, but man, this color truly was a crowd pleaser. You had aisle 305 right across from you, but still, Volcano was the crowd killer. This thing was amazing, I'm telling you. But yeah, let's talk about the ride experience on this thing. So basically, you leave out of a nice loading station inside of a volcano. You'll come and hit a launch. Then you come around a sharp bank curve. It's probably about a 90-degree curve. Then you hit another launch, 70 miles per hour, straight out top of the volcano with the fire blazing. Like I said, this thing was intense. Not just visually, but the launch on here was so great. Sorry about the quality though of this video because this ride is very, very, very fairly old. But I think it need to deserve some creds. So let's get this thing, these ride creds that it deserves and information about it. Let's bring back Volcano, the good memories. But before all my ranting, like I said, blasted out the volcano, then you come to 3 Heartline rules, which was really fairly pretty good. But the most best part of the ride, the most best, I love the way my conversations go. But the best part about this ride was truly the launch out top of the volcano. Even though the ride is very, very short, it still packed a punch. Even though the ride was short, I will say it again, even though this ride was short, it still packed a punch. I have never been to Kings and Minion in my past when I went to go just to ride the volcano without having to wait at least 2 hours. So basically what you want to do is just run and rush in through the park. But let me stop ranting and enjoy this POV real quick. Man, after watching that POV, that brought back so many memories waiting in the line of the volcano and the jungle music over there. Oh, really, 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 really hurts my soul that it took this ride out. And this video is gonna get at. A lot of people may hate me for this. If you do, suwoo, oh well. But I got to get into the ride replacement. I really don't think the new ride replacement fits the I'm getting upset just thinking about it. I'm gonna say it again. I really don't think the new ride replacement Rapterra fits or comes close to what was used to be here and existing as what you see on this plot of land. Replacing a Intamin with a B&M is like all kinds of craziness in my opinion. I just don't see it, but we shall see. Springtime's coming up shortly, guys. I'm gonna try to make my way there opening day. Try to ride Rapterra. With all being said, Rapterra, as you see, is this testing right here. It's planning to open up this spring. It's gonna replace Volcano. So my understanding is a launch wing coaster. I have ridden like this one in Hollywood. It's okay, it's fun, but it's not like I say, it's not a power puncher, but it is, I would say, a crowd pleaser overall. But like I said, it's just, I'm not gonna, let me stop being a negative Nancy until I get there and ride. The ride actually looks pretty cool. I was there like last year doing a hunt, and I do like how the ride comes close to the ground. It's pretty unique, I would say. But what's your thoughts on it? Do you really think this is going to be a good replacement for a Volcano, or do you think it's going to meet or exceed expectations, or over the hype, under the hype, or what? But let's get into the ride POV and let me know your thoughts down in the comments.